everybody, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be teaching you how to make a multi-wick candle. If you've never made a multi-wick candle, it's pretty simple to do. The resulting candle is quite impressive with flickering flames and multiplied soft crackling sounds. Once you've mastered the single wick candle, now it's time to graduate, and we're here to help. We'll walk you through the benefits and necessary steps to make your very own multi-wick candle. But first, to familiarize yourself with the candle making process, you may want to reference our video, How to Make a Wooden Wick Candle. Among the many benefits of using a wooden wick over a cotton wick is that you can use up to a 5-inch diameter candle with only a single wick. Sometimes you can even use a 6-inch diameter vessel depending on your type of wax. However, occasionally it is necessary to use multiple wicks to achieve a full melt pool, and at other times, we simply want the look of multiple wicks. As always, conducting a burn test is necessary to find the correct size wicks for your vessel, wax, and fragrance. The first thing to consider when using multiple wicks is that the vessel width decides the number of wicks. To determine a starting point for your testing, decide how many wicks you'd like to use. Use this guide as a rule of thumb. If you have a 6-inch diameter measurement across the top of your vessel and you want to use 3 wicks, divide 6 inches by 3 to know that each wick needs to create a 2-inch diameter melt pool. Now, you'll want to use our wick selection guide, and instead of putting in 6 inches for the diameter of your vessel, enter 2 inches, along with all other pertinent information. We've included the link to the guide below. If you want to use 2 wicks in your 6-inch vessel, 6 inches divided by 2 equals 3 inches. So in this case, you would enter a 3-inch for the diameter of your vessel. Keep in mind, this is only a starting point for your testing. You may need to wick up or wick down depending on your burn test results. It's important to choose the right vessel. Placement of multiple wicks depends on the shape of your vessel. If you're using a long rectangular shape, you would want to space the wicks out evenly down the center length of the candle. A round candle may require 2 or 3 wicks depending on the size and look you're trying to achieve. Always space wicks evenly from each other and from the sides of the vessel. Then, divide the overall size by the number of wicks that you'll be using. It takes some experimentation to get the perfect burn, but when you do, it will be well worth the effort. Get started making your multiple wick candles today by ordering a wooden wick sample kit, again included in the link below. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Do you prefer multiple wick or single wick candles? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you guys next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!